This is seriously the most versatile chicken to have. I make it weekly and just keep it in my fridge, throw it into meals throughout the week. It's super easy to make. It only has 7 ingredients. And I make it with about a 5-pound package of chicken, 4 to 5 pounds. And if you want to brine it, it will take the flavor to the next level. I usually don't just because of time, but here's the instructions if you're interested. Any oil will work here. I'm using avocado, but olive also works great. And you can obviously mix this with your hands. I'm just not a huge fan of raw chicken on my hands unless I have gloves, so I'm using tongs. Once the chicken comes out of the oven, you can check it with a meat thermometer if you have one, or just cut open the thickest part of the meat, and if it looks done, then you should be good. The most important tip is to not cut your chicken. Let it rest for at least 10 to 15 minutes to help the juices stay inside. And then I like to slice it thinly and put it in a Tupperware. Don't forget about all that yummy juice on the pan. Store in the fridge and use on different meals throughout the week. The ones we use most commonly are chicken salad. You could slice it thinly and put it in sandwiches. I throw it in casseroles, soups, and also quesadillas for my kids' lunch. Really, the possibilities are endless. It's just so great to have on hand.